We've got a 2006 Yamaha YZ450F that we purchased used, and we're going to go through this vehicle and show you all the Prox products that we have to offer. We're going to dig in and take a look at the Prox piston kit, which features an OEM replacement level piston, forged, high performance, and then we're also going to look at the valve train. We've got two options there, the OEM replacement titanium valve, and we also have a stainless steel valve conversion kit that we're going to take a look at. And finally, we're going to look at a Prox top-end gasket kit, which includes the head and base gasket and all the gaskets and O-rings required to rebuild the top end. So let's get started. We've got our cylinder removed from the engine and along with the piston. Now what we're going to want to do is take a very close look at the condition of the cylinder. So what you're going to want to do is see what the wear looks like, and you're going to want to inspect the cylinder dimensionally. So what you have to do is get your OEM service manual, and in that manual they'll provide dimensions for the cylinder bore, such as the diameter, the ovality, and the taper, and the condition of the cylinder bore surface. Now if you're not able to do that yourself at home, a really good resource is your local dealer. You can take it into them and they can assist you in measuring the cylinder bore, because that's going to be very important when you select your piston and install that. So you're going to want to make sure that's 100% correct before you install your piston. We have our Prox OEM quality replacement piston ready to go in. So what we've done is we've inspected the cylinder and we've determined what size the cylinder bore is, and Prox pistons are available in graded sizes A, B, and C to fit your cylinder as it wears. So that's a very important aspect. When you inspect your cylinder measure, you're going to select the right piston to go with it. These pistons are high quality. They come with a replacement ring set, wrist pin and circlips, everything you need to reassemble the top end and get you going again.